The continent you call Africa, the name was never chosen by a single African. It was given to your ancestor. It was given to our ancestor by those who enslaved us. What if I told you that Africa had a name, a powerful and a beautiful name, for thousands of years before the Europeans even set their foot on it? And the name is now buried. Every time you use the word Africa, you unknowingly use a name Roman soldier invented. Your ancestor, our ancestor, called it something completely different. So what does our ancestor call Africa? What does our ancestor call our name before the name Africa was given to us? 1,000 years ago, before Rome became a city, before Europe even had a map, there was a continent so vast, so rich, so full of its own people. They call it Alkebulan, the mother of mankind. But the name is now completely forgotten. Why? What happened to the name? Why was the name changed? What happened to the name? What come up to the change of the name from Alkebulan to Africa? During the 1st century, the Romans win a war in North Africa. They conquered the North Africa, which is modern Tunisia. And they were standing on a soil that was not their own. Then what did they do? They see a local tribe called Afri. Then when someone conquered a territory, what they normally do, they rename the territory. So they rename the territory to Afri Terra, which means land of the Afri. That is later called now Africa. That is later used, that it was now rebranded to Africa. But the white part of it was, the name was actually meant for a tiny corner of the North Africa, not all the continent. But 2,000 years later, every single person now forgot the name our ancestors used to call us. Now we now call ourselves Africa. Everybody now is now using the name European soldier labeled us. But our original name was Alkebulan, the mother of mankind. But have you come to think about this? The people who literally gave birth to human civilization, we gave birth to civilization. Their name, our name, we gave birth to civilization, and we name ourselves mother of mankind. We name ourselves what we understand, the meaning of the name we understand. But then a stranger just came and replaced everything. Replace our name with a name that does not have a meaning. Africa has no meaning. The word Africa has no meaning. Some say the name Africa mean dusty land. Some said it mean free from cold, while some say it mean cave dwellers tribe. So what is the meaning of Africa? This is the meaning of Africa: free from cold, dusty land. The Latin said it means dust, free from cold. So like a lot of people actually come up with the meaning of Africa. The etymology of Africa the word Africa comes from a Latin word, so it actually means dusty land. While some say it means people, cave dwellers, that we live in the cave. While some say it means a place free from cold. Maybe the snow was not actually happening here. They now name it free from cold, dusty land, and all those things, which has no meaning. It has no meaning. A stranger came and replaced our identity, replaced our name with something that doesn't have a meaning. That is identity theft. That is erasing of our identity. We don't even know who we are. So next time if someone asks you, where are you from? Know this. You come from Alkebulan, North Africa, which means the mother of mankind. A place so significant that everybody, even the people who try to erase our name, couldn't erase what we produce. They can't erase what we produce. Every human being on earth trace their origin back to the soil, back to our soil. But they just forgot what it was called. We now forgot what we are called. I think we should go back to know our identity. Go back and to know what we are called. Go back to know how did we come up to this extent? What was our forefather? What was our ancestor doing? Why did this happen? What happened? This. Let's use our critical thinking and find our identity. Let's start writing our stories. Let's start writing our stories. We need to tell our stories. We need to know who we are. We need to know our DNA. And the name Africa has no meaning. We all of us shout I'm Africa, but it has no meaning. It has no meaning. So they erase our identity and give us a name. We now forgot the name our forefathers actually called us, which has a meaning. So I don't know if this video gets to you. Please share it to people. Share it around so that people will understand. We start asking questions. We need to know our history because history now are not being taught in school. We need to research it. I take much of my time to do this research and come up with this thing. So we should know our history. Let's start reading our history and know what are we, where we are, how we come here, the history behind Africa, why we were enslaved, why was slavery come into place in the first place, what's happened.